Hey there, cosmic travelers and seekers of truth. Welcome to Ethereal Symphony. I'm your guide through the chaos, comedy, and cosmic lessons of life. Here, we'll navigate the fine line between Shakespearean drama and quantum simulations, unraveling stories of awakening, resilience, and self discovery. From life's toughest curveballs to spiritual breakthroughs and the occasional dark sarcasm, I'm here to share insights, laugh at the absurdity, and create meaningful connections. So, whether you are here for some deep cosmic vibes or just to hear someone sing their soul out, you have found your tribe. Let's decode this divine comedy together and turn our mess into art. Ready? Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in the chaotic simulation we call life, there lived a distressed Rapunzel. But forget the predictable fairy tale. This one did not need a knight in shining armor. In fact, she rolled her eyes so hard at the idea of being saved that she probably invented yoga in the process. This is where we are at today. A world overrun by labels, jargon, and more drama than a Netflix series. Bipolar disorder? Check. Narcissist? Trending. Depression? Practically a household term. Sprinkle in some modern spirituality and bam, chakras, energy fields, and cosmic vibes take center stage. It's a self-help circus and everyone's a performer. But here's the kicker. Awakening is no picnic. Let me just say this again. Awakening is no picnic. Sure, it starts with some throat chakra action, energy flows freely, your solar plexus lights up, and you're glowing like a spiritual influencer on Instagram. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Hold that thought. Awakening is not about rainbows and butterflies. It's about letting go. Letting go of past resentments, toxic relationships, and the shackles of societal expectations. Think of it as emotional CrossFit. Painful, exhausting, but worth it. Now, let's zoom in on our protagonist, a 90s kid from India. Raised in a land of mysticism, rich history, and strict brand parenting. This rebel grew up juggling contradictions. A father who believed in tough love and criticism, a mother who coddled and shielded. The result? A child who swung between being a people-pleasing doormat and a hurricane of rebellion. Teenage years brought dreams of engineering success, fueled by pressure and expectations. But life, as it often does, had another plans. Enter the dark night of the soul. Imagine losing everything you thought you wanted and being thrown into the abyss of self-doubt. It's not pretty, but it's transformative. It's where the ego gets crushed and the real work begins. And then there's love, the illusion that so many of us chase. Newsflash, love is not about manipulation, gaslighting, or sacrificing your growth. It's not a fairy tale escape. It's raw, it's real, and it's about mutual evolution. If you're stuck in a toxic cycle, it's not love. It's just a bad habit with a pretty label. The antidote? Detachment. Step back, and suddenly life looks like a cosmic game where only you exist. In 2022, our protagonist faced another curveball, losing a job. At first, it felt like the end of the world, but that forced pause, it turned into a turning point. The biggest lesson: don't let the noise of the world drown out your inner voice, because if you do, you'll spiral into a pit of self-doubt, questioning everything. But here's the thing, you are the black sheep for a reason, the generational curse breaker, the one destined to rise above the chaos and create an epic success story. Why? Because the world needs rebels, those brave enough to challenge the norms, question the system, and carve their own path. Let's zoom out for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Life is not as complicated as we make it. It's a Shakespearean play on steroids, a simulation, a cosmic joke. And You are the lead actor, the director, and the audience, all rolled into one. So why not make it a masterpiece? Here's where we get meta. Modern life thrives on drama. Social media feeds our addiction to validation, while cancel culture fuels our collective insecurities. Everyone's an armchair psychologist, diagnosing their exes and co workers with buzzword disorders. But beneath the noise, there's a truth. Life is simpler than we think. We are the ones overcomplicating it. And what about spirituality? Oh, that's a rabbit hole of its own. The world has turned ancient wisdom into Instagram quotes and the merchandise. Don't get me wrong, aligning your chakras is great, but if your soul searching starts with a shopping cart, you might want to rethink your priorities. So, what's the takeaway? Life is too short to be lived by someone else's script. Save yourself. Be the damsel, the knight, and the dragon all at once. Question everything. Laugh at the absurdity. Rewrite the rules. Because at the end of the day, the only person who truly knows your story is you. To the rebels, the misfits, and the brave souls questioning the system, the world is waiting. Go out there, own your narrative, and conquer the stage because life is a dramatic masterpiece and you are the star. Now, that's the moral of the story. Life's a dramatic masterpiece and you're the star. So, question the labels, laugh at the absurdities, and most importantly, write your own script. If you enjoyed this satirical take, hit like, share it with a fellow rebel, and don't forget to subscribe for more unconventional perspectives. Until next time, keep owning your story because no one else can do it better than you. Good luck!